Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Homeopathic Remedies tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about homeopathic painkiller that is Bryonia alba. So let's say its clinical condition. Bryonia is indicated in vertigo, headache, constipation, vicarious menses, asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, mastitis, abscesses of mammary. Moving on to its sphere of action, bryonia is well act on liver, respiratory organs, brain, serous membrane, mucous membrane, fibrous tissue. Talking about its leading indication, stitching pain runs throughout the drug, which is relieved by absolute rest. So there is great thirst for a large quantity of cold water. Dry, hard, knotty stools, spasmodic cough with stitching type of pain. All complaints are worse from motion and better by rest and pressure. Talking about its mental symptoms, there is weakness of mind as if he will faint. Bryonia is usually indicated in irritable personality, delirium, desires to escape from bed and wants to go home even when present at home, desires for things which are refused when offered. Causation of bryonia include anger, cold food and drink, getting hot in summer when days are hot and nights are cold, suppression of discharges and skin eruption. Let's talk about its head symptoms. Ailments from cold air and constipation. Character of headache. There is bursting type of pain, stitching and sticking type of pain. Modalities of bryonia: aggravation by motion in morning, opening eyes, when opening eyes, better by pressure, and when lying on painful side. Let's discuss briefly about gastrointestinal symptoms of Bryonia alba. Mouth symptoms. In mouth, there is great dryness of mucous membrane, dryness of mouth. There is great thirst for a large quantity of cold water at long intervals. Stomach symptoms. There is pressure in the stomach after eating, vomiting of bile and water aggravated by eating. Sensitiveness of epigastrium to touch, dyspeptic ailments during summer heat. In abdomen, liver swollen, sore, burning and stitching type of pain, which is aggravated by motion, pressure on coughing. In constipation, so there is constipation due to headache after being heated by cold drinks. Character of stools, there is dry, hard, knotty stools as if burnt, brown, thick and bloody stools, which is aggravated in morning when moving, hot weather, cold drinks, etc. Talking about its respiratory system, in nose there is vicarious menses, pneumonia. Bryonia is indicated in early stages of pneumonia. Basically, bryonia is right-sided remedy, so it includes lower lobe of right lung. Cough symptoms: after taking cold or getting hot in summer, when exposed to cold wind. Character of cough include dry, hard, with gagging and vomiting, with stitching pain in the chest. The patient holds the chest during cough. Cough is aggravated by motion when talking, laughing, Cough is better by absolute rest when lying on painful side, that is right side usually. Pressure. Let's discuss female symptoms of bryonia. Menses suppressed with vicarious discharges or headache. Pain in breast at menstrual period. Mastitis, stony hard mammae. Abscesses of mammae. There is stitching, pain in the ovaries on taking deep breath. Frequent nosebleed at the time of menses, that is vicarious menses. If you find this information is useful, please hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.